Welcome back to MKE Gadgets. Today we're going to solve one of the problems that has plagued mankind since the invention of the electric garage door opener. And that is the life of these bulbs. Now this is a LED garage door opener bulb. Costs $10. And it'll last, if you're lucky, a year. Today we're going to improve upon that. And we're going to make, with these parts here, a remote location for your garage door light. So all these parts I bought here are about $7 with tax. The key component to this is a socket adapter. Remove the light bulb in the garage door opener, you screw this in, and then there's two slots for an extension cord. This costed 75 cents. The extension cord is 6 feet, 16 gauge, costed $1.35. Had to buy a connector to adapt the extension cord to electrical box, 29 cents. The electrical box was $2.79. This is an octagon box, and it has these wings on here, so you can screw it to your stud or your joist. That's really makes it a lot more handier when you install it. A porcelain light socket, which gets screwed to the box and holds the light. And a couple screws. Total cost, I said under $7. But wait, there's more. So I went into my electrical box and I found this plastic light socket was in my garage. I removed it when I added an outlet and I plugged my shop lights into the outlet. This was free. Octagon box I had from previous projects. First I put the connector not in back but on the side, and then I realized I really want it on the back. So when this is nailed or screwed to the joist, you don't see the cord coming out. The same socket adapter and this extension cord, which I took off of a small appliance. Make sure your cord is rated for what you want to do. As with all electrical projects, if you're not comfortable wiring this, contact a licensed electrician in your area. So off camera, I fed the extension cord through the connector, tightened it up. I knotted the cord as extra insurance that this cord couldn't be pulled through. I stripped the ends of the extension cord and attached them to the two screws on here. And all I gotta do is tighten it down to the box. Be careful not to tighten these screws too tight to break the socket. It's plastic. Here's the socket adapter plugged into the cord, but we're gonna unplug it now. So when we screw this into a light bulb socket on the garage door, we don't put a twist in the cord. So meet me in the garage and we'll finish this project. So I wound the cord around the joist here and around the cable that powers the garage door opener. Do not allow any slack to get caught in the chain here. Use wire ties, and again, if you're not comfortable with any electrical work, hire a licensed electrician for your area. So we're gonna screw out the bulb, and we're gonna screw in this socket adapter, right where the bulb goes. And then we're gonna put the cord into the socket adapter. Make sure you do that first, because if these are connected, this is gonna get all twisted up and you don't want that. So another added feature to this setup is you don't have to open and close these covers for your light bulbs anymore, because they're kind of a pain to get open sometimes. And you know when this light bulb is gonna go out on you, it's gonna go out in the middle of winter. when it's cold, and then you're not going to want to change it till spring. Here I have the octagon box, the extension cord coming out the top. A couple of deck screws are going to hold this in here. Two deck screws. Voila, the light bulb. Let's review the features of this setup. One, the light bulb is removed from the garage door opener so it won't vibrate and have a longer life. Two, you don't have to remove the cover anymore to change the light bulb. If it does burn out, it's very accessible. Screw it in, screw it out. And the third, because you park right underneath the garage door opener, and this is a couple feet away, it will shine light right over your door where you get in and out of the garage. Let's go hit the opener and watch this work. There you go, we press the opener. So today at MKE Gadgets, we used a couple easily found supplies at your local big box store. A couple basic tools, a wire stripper and a screwdriver, and we made a remote location for your garage door light. In the long run, this will save you money because you won't have to change the bulb as often. It will open up right over your car door, so getting in and out is easier. And it's a lot easier changing the bulb when you have better access to it. So for under $7, I think this is a really easy project to do. Like always, if you're not comfortable working around electricity, hire a licensed electrician for your area. Please share my video with your friends. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and hit the little bell next to the subscribe button so you get notification of new videos as they come available. This is MKE Gadgets. We'll see you tomorrow.